The first time you turn it on, you will be asked to make the initial settings. There is nothing complicated here. It does not take much time. Just follow the prompts on the TV screen. Here is how to press the two buttons on the remote control under the ring. Press and hold. The connection is made. Now you choose the launch you want. When you select the region you live in, quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. You can easily transfer your Android phone's Wi-Fi network and Google account. I will skip this point. You connect your Wi-Fi network. Next, you are promoted the sign in to your Google account. Terms of use accept. Google S. Google Assistant press turn on. Install additional apps. You will be offered some application which you can be using on this Google account. If you want to install them immediately, then leave the checkbox. Control your TV. You can turn your TV on off and adjust volume with the remote of your Xiaomi TV stick. Here you can set the remote control to control your TV. Terms and conditions agree. All TV stick is ready to work. Next, I will show you how to install a hacked applications. So let's take a quick run through the settings. Internet network. Here you can connect to your Wi-Fi network and change your Google account. Here you can delete application, allow daily access to different applications. Device settings, about your device, system update, TV stick, works on Android 11, with a certification Netflix. Screen and sound, here you can set the screen resolution. If the TV stick is connected to a 4K TV, you will have 4K resolution available here. Screen position, you can zoom the screen here. HDMI SIG. System sounds, you can enable to display. Advanced sound setting, here you can choose the format. And factory reset. Remote controls and accessories. Below are recommendations from different applications. From what application you choose for yourself. Go down to the bottom and select the Customize Channels button. You choose which application you want to receive notification from. To move the application and uninstall, hold down the OK button. Well, and the end, I can say what with TV stick indefinitely worth of attention. You get 100% working gadget out of the box. To see current price and where to buy, you can follow the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click to the bell. See you soon. Bye.